Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Codecraft Shop. My name is Sailesh Kushwaha and in this course we will learn how to install OpenShift plugin in IntelliJ IDE, and then we will deploy an application on OpenShift cluster using the plugin which we have installed earlier, and then in the demo I will demonstrate each and every step. So guys, please watch the video till end. So in order to install OpenShift plugin, like we should have the IntelliJ IDE, and then we need to navigate to the particular location, that is files, then settings, and then plugins. From there we have the capability to install the OpenShift plugin. So OpenShift plugin that we are going to install is named as OpenShift Connector by Red Hat, and once it gets installed it will display like this. In the sidebar you can see that there is a OpenShift tab gets created, and uh, the cluster is there, so we need to log into the cluster before deploying the applications. So the next thing that we are going to talk about is how to deploy an application on OpenShift cluster using the plugin which we have installed. So for that we should have the OpenShift cluster where the application needs to be deployed, and then we have to log into the OpenShift cluster using the plugin, and then we have to pass in the credentials, and then once we are able to successfully log in into the OpenShift cluster we will be able to see our projects. So in the screenshot you can see that I am logging into the cluster using the plugin. So after deploying the application we need to verify the deployed project on the cluster. So for that we need to log in into OpenShift Web Console and verify the project whether it gets deployed or not. We will also verify the project from the IntelliJ IDE plugin. So in the plugin, as you can see, OpenShift Quarkus plugin named project is deployed onto the cluster, and the same is also visible through the Web Console. So let's start the demo. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe, because it will help you in getting the latest updates whenever I upload. So guys, this is the project which we are going to deploy onto OpenShift cluster using the OpenShift plugin. So in order to install the plugin, we need to navigate to this particular location, then settings, then plugins. And if you can see, I already have installed the plugin. So in your case, you need to go to the marketplace, and then you need to type OpenShift. And if you can see, this is the plugin OpenShift Connector by Red Hat. So you need to click on install, and then it will be installed on your system. So I'm skipping this part. Once the plugin will be installed, then a new option with name OpenShift gets displayed over here, and this is the cluster with which I have logged in already. So I have logged out of the cluster, and then I will re-log in. In order to log in, I will click on this, and then I will pass on the token, and then I will click on OK button. So guys, if I need to refresh it. So if you can see, I am successfully able to log into the OpenShift cluster, and it has two projects. One is Sailesh Kushwaha 18-dev, and the another one is Sailesh Kushwaha 18-stage. So now we are going to deploy the application. So in order to deploy the application, we need to go into the project, and then we will create a deployment. So I need to double click on this, and then I will pass on the name of the project, So I'm using the name as OpenShift Quarkus plugin, and then I need to select the module. So the project which we are going to deploy is Hello World with Quarkus. So I will click on OK, and then I will pass the application name. So this is the application name which gets displayed into the OpenShift cluster. I need to select the dev file. So since this is a Quarkus related Java project, so I have to select Java hyphen Quarkus. I will click on finish. So if you can see, the deployment has started, and it is going to deploy the resources onto the cluster. So if you can see, the changes have been pushed to the cluster, and you can see the project is now having the OpenShift Quarkus plugin project, and uh, now we will log in into the web console, and then we will verify the project. So let me log into the cluster, and I have already logged into the cluster, and this is the project. And if you can see, this is the same name which we have given over there, OpenShift Quarkus plugin, and this is the application name. And once I click on this, it will open the application, and this is the application that we have installed, or we can say that we have deployed onto the OpenShift cluster using the IntelliJ IDE plugin. So guys, this is all about the demo. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter at the handle CodeCraft Shop. Thank you.